Hey gang, this is Dwayne from ITMasterKey.com, and today I want to talk about a watering hole attack. So a watering hole is a slang term for your favorite restaurant, your favorite bar, your favorite hangout, your favorite little spot. When an attacker is using a water hole attack, it's going to use your favorite sites against you. So during a watering hole attack, an attacker does a little bit of recon to see what kind of sites do you like to visit. Do you like ESPN.com? Do you like CartoonNetwork.com? Do you like bombsandfun.com? Whatever website you like the most, they figure it out and they target you and your organization. And then they try and actually infiltrate those websites and put Trojan horses or other types of viruses on those websites to hopefully infect you and your organization. If that doesn't work, they'll dive a little bit deeper to see what you and your organization's hobbies are, what your favorites are, and they'll actually create a website and try and lure you to that website. And then once you get to that website, they'll initiate their attack. All right, gang, this is Dwayne from ITMasterKey.com. We talk about a watering hole attack, and other than that, I'll see you in class.